Meaning of drier.
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 Drier. The word drier is an adjective that describes something having little or no moisture or wetness. This can refer to a variety of things such as fabrics, dishes, hair, skin, or environments. When something is labeled as drier, it means that it has been subjected to a process of removing moisture, such as air drying, using a towel, or using a machine dryer. The result of this process is a reduction in the amount of water, leaving the object or environment feeling less wet and more dry to the touch.